You trust Max, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Ashley's not shaking up with Maxie, is he?
No. So, what was I thinking? Oh, now look at you. She's spooked now. No, sit down. No. She got his hair cut off. Who's up together? I know her experience with the camera. Your leg up? Suck it up, you snitch!
It's okay. No, stop now. You're safe.